Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra after 3 months of intense use. Is it still worth your hard-earned money? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about design and build quality. The S24 Ultra continues Samsung's trend of premium materials and sleek design. The frame is crafted from armor aluminum and the back is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Despite its large size, it feels surprisingly comfortable in the hand. After 3 months, it still looks brand new thanks to its excellent durability. No scratch or dents. Next, the display. The S24 Ultra boasts a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display with a 1440p resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, or just browsing, the screen is bright, vibrant, and incredibly smooth. The 1750 nits peak brightness makes outdoor visibility a non-issue. Samsung really knows how to make a gorgeous display, and the S24 Ultra is no exception. Under the hood, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM. In real-world use, it's blazing fast. Apps open instantly, multitasking is seamless, and high-end game runs without a hitch. 3 months in, there's no slowdown. It's just as fast as day one. Now let's talk about cameras. The S24 Ultra features a 200MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra wide, and two telephoto lenses with 10x and 3x optical zoom. The photos are incredibly detailed even in low light. The night mode has been improved significantly. The zoom capabilities are unmatched, producing clear shots even at 100x digital zoom. For videos, it can shoot up to 8K at 330 fps. The stabilization is top notch, making it a solid choice for content creators. Now let's talk about battery life and charging. Battery life is always a concern, especially with such a powerful device. The S24 Ultra packs a 5000 mAh battery. With moderate to heavy use, it'll easily last a full day, and when you need to juice up, the 45-watt fast charging gets you from 0 to 100% in about an hour. Wireless charging and reverse wireless charging are here too, adding to the convenience. The S24 Ultra runs One UI 5.1 on top of Android 14. It's clean, intuitive, and packed with useful features. Samsung's software experience is one of the best in the Android world, offering great customization and productivity features. 3 months in, it remains smooth and reliable with regular updates, improving the experience further. So, after 3 months, is the Galaxy S24 Ultra still worth it? Absolutely. It's a powerhouse with an amazing display, top tier cameras, and solid battery life. Whether you're a power user, a photography enthusiast, or just someone who wants the best smartphone experience, the S24 Ultra delivers on all fronts. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.